Hi everyone, good to see you again all. I hope you all will be fine. Please check Iraq latest news updates. Iraq's Securities Commission on Wednesday said it signed an agreement with Kurdistan's International Center for Finance and Trade to enhance financial investment and boost economic activities in the region. A statement by the Commission said that Faissal Al-Haimas, head of the Securities Commission, and Saad Abdel Qahar Al-Sheikh, general manager of the International Center for Finance and Trade, inked the agreement in Sulaymaniyah earlier today. This initiative is a part of a strategy to foster sustainable development by improving the economic environment and expanding the investment base. According to the statement, the agreement aims to bolster the role of the Central Bank of Iraq in supporting the initiative to establish the International Center for Finance and Trade in Sulaymaniyah. It also seeks to promote investment in securities, it added. Both the Commission and the Center are set to exchange expertise and knowledge in legal, administrative, and technical domains. The Securities Commission said it will establish an office within the International Center to boost the investors' confidence in the securities market. In turn, the Iraqi securities market will open a branch in the International Center, which is expected to widen the investment scope and boost financial activities. This agreement is a proactive step in aligning with global financial and commercial developments and reflects the commitment of both entities to bolster cooperation, achieve sustainable development, and create a conducive environment for investment in Iraq. And the Iraqi oil marketing company SOMO disclosed its oil export and financial revenues for July. In a statement, SOMO said the total crude oil exports reached 106,755,169 barrels, generating revenues of $8,330,475,000. Central and southern Iraq's oil fields contributed significantly to the exports, totaling 105,243,722 barrels. The Qayara field added 922,755 barrels, while the Kirkuk warehouse facilitated exports to Jordan, amounting to 344,904 barrels. The data also highlighted that the average price per barrel stood at $78.033. The exported quantities were facilitated by 40 international companies of diverse nationalities, utilizing the ports of Basra, Khor al-Zubayr, and al-Awamat. Iraq is a major oil producer with the world's fifth largest proven oil reserves. In 2022, Iraq produced an average of 4.4 million barrels of oil per day (BPD), making it the 11th largest oil producer in the world. Iraq's oil exports account for about 90% of the country's export earnings. And Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani, on Wednesday, directed the preparation of a plan to enhance the aviation sector and the Iraqi Airways Company. This decision was made during his chairmanship of a meeting focused on monitoring transportation projects within the federal general budget for the year 2023. The meeting was attended by the Ministers of Planning, Transportation, and Finance, along with advisors, representatives, and directors general from relevant departments and agencies. The meeting discussed the ministry's projects within the specified program plan, in light of the budget for the upcoming 3 years, aligning with government priorities and the allocation, funding, execution, and distribution of these projects across governorates. Al-Sudani emphasized the importance of addressing implementation and funding challenges for these projects, proactively devising solutions, and identifying alternatives to overcome any obstacles, whether administrative, legal, or financial. The meeting also reviewed the progress of the Grand Four-Port project and the stages of completion for the Basra-Shalamjar and Sawa-Hajama railway lines. During the discussion, Al-Sudani highlighted the significance of railway transport development as a catalyst for infrastructure advancement and an added convenience in citizens' transportation. Additionally, Al-Sudani instructed the development of a plan to enhance the aviation sector and Iraqi Airways, focusing on improving their specialized workforce and supportive service projects. Several other service projects within the transportation sector were also deliberated upon during the meeting, with necessary actions taken accordingly. And the Iraqi Ministry of Oil announced on Tuesday that the drilling of a 3,547-meter deep has been completed in the Majnoon oil field in southern Iraq. The technical team of the Iraqi drilling company IDC completed drilling the MJ-154 oil well at a depth of 3,547 meters in 34 days. The new oil well is part of a contract concluded with the Basra Oil Company (BOC) to drill 43 oil wells in the Majnoon oil field in cooperation with Halliburton Company. The new oil well is the 26th that the company has completed within this contract. The IDC used a 2,000 horsepower drilling rig to complete the drilling of the new oil well. The IDC owns 43 drilling and reclamation rigs with capacities ranging from 500 to 3,000 horsepower, including 30 modern rigs distributed in oilfields in the northern and southern parts of Iraq. In 2022, the IDC completed the drilling and reclamation operations of 92 oil wells. The Parliamentary Oil, Gas, and Natural Resources Committee revealed on Sunday that the government has drawn up plans to increase oil production to more than 5 million barrels per day. According to the Iraqi lawmaker, Zainab al-Musawi, the committee supports the government's directions to increase the production of crude oil and gas to be used as fuel for power plants and in petrochemical industries. Thanks, take care.